I'm here with TK from Venley Total Solid Tyre Solutions. How are you, TK?
Great, thank you.
So tell us about your tyres and why they really look impressive. Tell us about that in more detail.
Okay, well, we are Venley Tires. So Venley Tires is a total solid tire solutions provider. So our tires are made with high durability materials, good compounds, so that they give you excellent wear and good value for money.
Yep. Wonderful. I can notice you've got the white tyres, you've got the other clear ones, perfect for making sure the maintenance and that it doesn't damage the floors as well.
Absolutely. So our solid tires have non-marking. So the non-marking ones keep your floors really clean. Yeah, especially if you're working in the pharmaceuticals, the food industries. So these are perfect for you. And they are also made from the same high quality materials. So they give you excellent wear life.
Yep. Great. Well, I think that's where you can have efficiency, cost savings, and what about sustainability?
Yes, that's right. So in terms of sustainability, we do have a recycling program, okay, especially for the polyurethane.
Yeah.
So in the polyurethane you see here, so we can take back your old one and we can rebond a new one for you.
Like retreads.
Similar, similar concept, but
Right.
it helps you to save money.
Yeah.
It helps us to save the environment.
Yeah. Wonderful. Great work, TK. And tell us about the company. You said you were from Singapore.
That's right. We are a Singapore-based company.
Yeah.
Our tires are made in China. Under our brand Venley,
Yeah.
but we are absolutely a Singapore-based company,
Yeah.
and we want to start growing globally. So our first stop is Australia, down
Great.
under.
Well, congratulations on being here at CeMAT. Tell us how you find the expo so far.
Not too bad actually. This is our first outing, and I must say it's wonderful being here. I loved it. The weather's a little cold, but it's blue sky, and great sun. The people have been very friendly, and we get quite a good interest in our product.
Great. Well, yep, I know that here in Australia there's a lot of forklifts and solid tyre requirements, so it's a great market to start with.
Yes, that's why we are here. It's our first stop, and we hope that we can enter the market soon.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for being part of Import Export TV as part of the
you,
media
Lawrence.
partnership, and congratulations on that, and we look forward to seeing you back in Australia soon.
I hope so. I definitely hope so. Thank you, Lawrence.
Thanks, TK.
Thank you.